What's your VW story, and how did you get into Volkswagens? That's how every one of our podcasts start. Each week, we have long-form conversations with people that are influential in the hobby, from people such as Bruce Myers to current engine builders like Pat Downs, and sometimes TV celebrities like Dave Kindig, who started out as a Volkswagen guy. There's something for everybody here on Let's Talk Dubs, no matter what you're into, whether it's lifestyle, engine building, technical podcasts, or historical aspects of the hobby. We cover it all here on Let's Talk Dubs. So make sure you subscribe so every Friday you get the latest podcast episode out. And if you really enjoy a great time, don't forget to check us out at letstalkdubs.com and investigate our One Crazy Weekend that happens every October here in Las Vegas. A lifestyle event for Volkswagen enthusiasts that's a weekend to remember for the rest of your life. So go ahead and subscribe to enjoy the best air-cooled VW content online. And until next week, later.